Hi friends, we are working on the React State Management library using the Zustand. Last class we have created the store using the Zustand. Like this we have created the uh, store for the product application. If you see in the my VS Code editor, I have created store for the product. I have did here products. I have created one object in this. It contains the products and some actions like add product, delete product, and update the product information. If you see in the components, I'm going to create a form for the adding the product. First, I'm going to create here product form dot jsx. In this, first import the React or use the shortcuts RAFCE. In this, I'm going to take some class called product container. Product container. In this, I'm going to take one more class, new product container form. Product container form. In this, I'm going to take form. Form. In this, I'm going to take each and every div element input. In the every div element, I'm going to take input with the type text, and I'm going to take placeholder, enter title, enter a title and name equal to title, and next second most d. This is a title, this is a some description, you can call it as a description, enter a description, this is a price, enter a price, this is in the form of number, I'm giving number instead of the text, this is a price, name is price, and one more div, this is a URL, image URL, can call it as a you can call it a text, type text, and enter a price, and name as a price, and one more div. In this, I'm going to take the button. I'm going to create product or add product. You can make it as a add product or create product. I'm going to inject into the my app.jsx. I'm going to comment this one, and after this here product form from the /component product form. Go to here and browser, first run the application, npm run the development in the project folder, localhost column 5173 port number is, localhost column 5173 is the port number. You see in the console, you are able to see the form. I have given already in the index.css. I have given the in the index.css, go to the index.css. I have given some CSS classes for the form and for the list of the products. Now, after creation of this, you can write the logic for first take the one product state variable, product comma set product equal to use state as a hook. In this, I'm going to take the few things called title. I'm taking title column empty and description description I'm taking, and next one is the price. I'm making as a default value is 0, and next one is image URL or image URL as empty. These four things we are taking instead of here price image URL. Change it to image URL. Here change it to image URL. Image URL. If we come to the here, see it will be visible here. For this, I'm going to write the one more function. I'm going to write one function here, update input. Using this function, I'm going to update the state variable. For that, first in the set product, we are taking the previous state variable. Previous state variable dot state comma e dot target dot name column e dot target dot value. If you inject this function and value here, product dot title and on change update input. If you enter the element in the this input, if you enter the something or some text here in the title box, that when you are entering the some text in the title box, it will updating here. It will takes the name as this name title and value as what you are entering into the text box. It will taking. If you want to see that, you can do the like JSON dot stringify of product. You can call like this if you want to see. Same like do the here remaining boxes also, input boxes also, product dot description and on change here, on change in the update input, and price also, value is product dot price and on change update input. Value here also product dot image URL and on change update input. Same like if you go to the browser, why it is showing like this. I'm writing here product okay, go to the inspect this and go to the console, go to the console, and here if you type in the here something like Mahindra, I'm entering the Mahindra SUV car, I'm entering here. See, it is updating in the this here, updating in the title of the state variable like car. I'm going to take same like description. It is a big car. I'm writing some description like it is a big car and future car, and same like price also. I'm taking as a time price 24 lakhs. See, price also updating in the here 24 lakhs, and image URL I'm taking from the some image like Mahindra SUV images, and in the images I'm taking any this blue color image. You can take copy the image address and place here. See, If you see in the image URL also, there it will contains the four elements, like one is the title and one is the price and image URL and description of the car. These four things is updating in the state variable. If you click on this create product, it will go to the, if it call one function, we are going to develop that function. It will call that function. That function have to add the product into the store, and after adding this product into the store, it will get the this all fields will be vanished. All fields will be get empty after adding the product. We are going to do in the handle submit, const handle submit. We are taking the event. First we are making that dot default prevent default and dot prevent default. And first I'm going to take one, instead of first adding this, first I'm going to create one product using the state variable. First I'm going to take id using the nano id. For nano id, we are going to install the nano id. Go to the e section, e column, and web application, React.js, React hooks, Zustand tutorials. Here install the npm i nano id. Sorry, installation is got successful. Go to the code editor, VS Code editor, and see the packages.json. Here you will be able to see the nano id. It will generate the unique id for the every product information. See how to use means, you can just call the this nano id and import the must and should import the nano id. Import nano id from the nano id, and nano id we are calling like a function. After this, we are taking the product, this product state dot product. Dot product. After completing the new product, we are going to add that product. Before adding this, we are going to consume that. First, we are going to bind here that add product equal to use product store. Use product store. It will call back. It will take the callback function dot state. Now we can add the product of new product. After adding, we have to must and should set product, and we are going to make it as a empty, these all things, and these all things. After all, this will be vanished. Once come to the browser, remove this, clear this all things, Mahindra SUV, and if you want to see here, console.log of new product. If you want to see the product details, comma new product. See, Mahindra SUV Black Panther. Apologies for if any spelling mistake is there. It is a future car for every people. I'm writing like this, every people, and check this as a 24 lakhs, and give some image. Copy this image address and place it into the image URL box. And if you click on this product, see, we are getting okay, we did mistake here. We have to must and should this handle handle submit, but in the on submit, here we are going to add here. We are going to inject into the on submit. After this, it will going to once again refresh this uh, Mahindra SUV black and white car, black and white car, and description. It is a future future every car people. Okay, 40 lakhs I'm making, and copy the why it is again. Copy the image address and place here and create the product. See, we are getting the product details. We have already did here in the handle product. We have console this for displaying purpose the product information. We have did the console.log. It will visible this one same description and ID. ID is generating unique ID and image URL and price and title. We want to display the product information or list of the products. For that we are going to create the product list dot jsx RAFCE. In this we are going to take product list. First go to the in the index dot, there is the index.css product list and product list container. Okay, product list and product list container. In this I'm going to take index.css. Okay, I got it. In this we are going to take the first for that before we are going to taking the products list of the products, we are going to consume the or bind the these products. First bind this store. For that, same like how we did here in the product form, same like here also we are going to take the first products information. After this product information, here use product store. In this it is taking the callback function of the state with the parameter dot state, and it is not only giving it, we want the delete product also. Use effect we are taking. Before taking use effect, one more thing, we are taking the one more local state here for the data. Actually I'm not going to render this products directly. I'm going to first take the state variable. In that I'm going to place this products into the data. Then I'm going to render this data here in the UI part. For that, set data equal to use state variable, use state hook. Here I'm taking the empty array, use effect I'm going to take for the initial rendering only. For that only I'm given the here empty dependency array. If you take, I'm going to update the data with products. If my data dot length data dot length equal to 0, we are going to render the loading. I only load the UI. Only when the data is present, in that case only we are going to call this return function, else function. For that, first data dot map of each and every item. This is a class function. Product. In this I'm taking the div. It contains the image item dot image URL. Item dot image URL. Item dot image URL, and alternative is item dot title. Next it contains the dot details. Dot details. Once go to the CSS function, CSS file. Dot details. In this contains the some details like title of this and title, content, and price. We have this three things. In this first content, for that content, uh, I'm taking the h1 tag and class name as the dot title. Sorry, title item dot title, and second one p. This one class name is content item dot description. I have taken the description uh, in the product form. So third one, what is the third one? Price. Price I'm going to take h3 tag dot or h3 tag dot price. Item dot price. And second last one more div is like class name as btns, like buttons. It contains button. For edit, class name I have given class name dot edit button. This one is a next one. Next button is a delete button. Delete button, class name as delete. If you see in the product form, you are able to visible the if you see in the index.jsx, we have already given the some CSS classes for the everything. See, edit and delete button and buttons also for common for button and for individual for the delete and edit buttons. Color is individual and BTNs also. Display flex and content space between, and price and content also. This content means description. This is the title, and this one is the details. Details I have given the column wise, and display flex and flex direction column, and padding I have given a 10 pixel, and flex go I have made the one gap is 10 pixel. Same like image also, I have taken 100% width. It is observed that, and border radius I have made the 10 pixel, and height I have taken the for common for the all the images and 200 pixel. Same like product also, that parent of the both all the products. This is the parent. This contains the 200 width is a 200 pixel, and background some given that some color, and padding also 4 pixel, and display flex and flex direction column, and radius 10 pixel, and justify content is a space between. If you observe, if you want to see that, in the go to the app.jsx and call the product list. Inject this product list and go to the browser. Observe this, you are able to see some other some getting. Use state is undefined. The product state, comma, use state. Able to see use state. Index.css. Here I have taken. Take this also. go to the product list and take the one more div here, class name as this one. In this, take the height as a product information list. Here nothing is there, that's why it is showing the loading icon. If you want to see product, some I'm going to give directly here style, using the style display flex display flex and justify content center, and the font size as a 20 pixel, font size is a 20 pixel, color you can see 24 pixel. Okay, you're able to see. Once refresh this, give the any one of here. I'm giving this copy image address and paste here. I'm making this one is a 24 lakhs, and the description, it is a future car for every people. Give the title Mahindra SUV. Create the product. We create the product, but it is not showing here. Products, store dot state. Changing some code here in the product dot list. Product products column. Can this product list of products. Once console this, what we're getting, we are going to see information nicely. Console dot log of products, data, T-code, and the description give something. Give this. Okay, I got it. Okay, we have to must and should call this product. Y means not empty actually. Y means first to make it as a loading, and Y means here, because of when we not only in the initial state, actually when the product is updated, actually we have here in the product form we have added the product into the our store, in the product store. In the product store it is updated, this product is updated here in the array. If you see in the product list, actually it is loaded only if you give the empty. If you give in the empty, it is only load in the at the first time. After second time also, if you want to update this set data, it will going to load, from the products. It will take the that product from the this use product store. In that case, it will actually the products is loading, but it is not updating into the set data. For that, if you want to update that set data, when the products is changes, that's why we have to here mention the products into the dependency list. If the products the if the products is updated, if the products is updated in the product form, product form, it will going to update in the use state also. Use state will be render. Use state will be called and it will be updated into the set data here. This set data will be updated and it will get the new information here. That's why we have given the here products is the dependency list, dependency array. If you see in the once again browser, remove this, not required. But if you want to see the output, here Mahindra SUV and give the it is a future car for persons every persons 40 lakhs. Copy the image address and paste in the here. Create product. See, you are able to see visual here. Why we are getting like this means we have to mention here in the list of products or product list, in the key in the every product we have to write the here item.id. See, in the array also you are able to see here this one is the one product. If you give one more product, Tata Nexon, and the description, take the it is a best selling product for in India. Give this 16 lakhs and enter another image. Can take this. Okay, can take this one and copy the image address. For testing purpose, I have taken this and place it here. See, we were able to do Tata Nexon and Mahindra SUV. See, in the edit and delete buttons, you are able to see. If you want to delete one product, you can click on this. It will be able to delete. But why it is not working? We have not configured in the delete button here. If you want to configure this, on click, first we have to import the delete product also. We have already imported here from the use product store. Here, see, if you see in the not this one, if you see in the here delete product, we have to import that and we have to call this delete product and we have to pass the item.id. This item.id will go to the delete product and it will call this function and it will consume this product id and it will check this in the filter and it will check this. It will not equal to product id, allows that into the products. We have written the reverse logic of this and it will remains the same and the remaining products will be there in the products only except that product. If we click on here any one of the product and I'm clicking on the Mahindra SUV, see, Mahindra SUV will be deleted and only only Tata Nexon will be there. If you want to create two more products, Mahindra XUV violet car. Description, it is a better for the rich persons. Given like this and 34 lakhs. Give this violet car is there, not there. Okay, give red car. Okay, place it here and create the product. Okay, if you see same like another product, I'm taking this yellow car and copy this image address. Mahindra SUV Black Panther. Sir, and description, it is a most Avenger car, liking this and 40 lakhs and copy the image and create the product. See, three cars are available it contains the three list of cars. List of cars. If you want to delete this any one of this, I'm deleting the Tata Nixon. See, it will gone. Only contains the two products. It is also like this. We are going to do the delete and create the product, and like same like we are going to do the edit also. First, I'm telling my friends first try this edit how to do the edit first in your side, and I'm going to explain the in the next class how to work with the edit. It is some complex thing. We are going to do something some update some configurations in the store also. That's why I'm explaining in the next class. If you like my content, if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.